Oh right, has he not been in the...
All right, we're videoing already.
Oh right.
He's caught us on here. Okay, so basically, what we're doing, guys, we're having a bit of a reaction video to this gorgeous young man. We got a new toy. He knows we like new toys.
Oh, absolutely.
Because it's Christmas every day.
It's
Good enough for Kev, it's good enough for us.
Absolutely. Let's do this.
So, what's your bum? Basically, we've got a new toy.
Right.
Been here a few days. I haven't posted it or shared it anywhere because I want you to be the first to see it. So, get your bum in here, Si.
Oh, I'm coming.
Wait there,
Oh,
Miles.
look at this.
Right, we've got Miles in the house. Right, okay. Drop that blanket, Miles.
Oh! Yeah.
Oh, look at the size of that! That's what she said.
When we play
So I know
when we playing.
Is that okay? Feel the weight of it.
Oh my god. No, I know Kev struggles. And I'm not saying, no, he's small.
She's a big girl, isn't she? So,
We need a bigger car.
we need a bigger boat. Basically, we've done a lot of shifting and sorting and wheeler dealing and bargaining and chasing and nagging and begging. And we've got a Raminator!
Let's have it.
Alright guys, we're finally here. We've finally got the Raminator out. Waited a very, very long time for this. So we're just going to have a quick little bash around. We've got the standard motor in it at the moment. The 49cc petrol or gas 2-stroke. It's running a 25:1 fuel oil mix. We're going to give it a quick zap around. I don't want to annoy everybody for too long, so we'll have a couple of minutes just to blow the cobwebs off it, and then we're going to get it back home and we're going to Max4 12S it, so it's going to be way cooler. Let's see how she goes. So we've got the controller on, the steering's all working. We're just going to do a couple of safety checks first, so check the brakes obviously. Yep, brakes are on. Now this one's got a fail-safe on it, so if we give it a push and we turn the controller off, the fail-safe should kick in so we don't get a runaway. Fail-safe's kicked in. Brakes are on. Excellent. Let's get it started. Quickest thing out of the box, guys, but that is pretty damn cool, isn't it? Oh God, Miles is driving the Raminator. Miles 123 RC, here he goes with the Raminator. As you can hear, it started fine, it's running, a little bit ripped I think, so we'll lean it off a little bit. I was going to rip the motor out straight away, but it's too much fun, the noise and the smell, so unfortunately we might be having to buy another one just to have an electric and a gas. We'll see how we think. Cheers guys! Okay, so we've survived our first outing with the latest toy to the stable. Primal RC Raminator. What an absolutely epic truck. I've got millions of toys, as is Miles in here. We love them all, but this really was a new bit of fun. I thought I was going to be annoyed straight away with the noise of it, but absolutely the opposite. Took me back to my old days with my Losi 5T truck and whatnot. Absolutely awesome. The smell, the smoke, I love it. So I really am torn what to do with it now. We have already got the Jonny Crash kit for it, which we kindly been sent by Mike from Taylor RC, so thanks again that over to us, Mike. This is for the HobbyWing Max4 Combo. So we got the option here now, we can either get the Max4 Combo in this one and we can 12S it, or we can go absolutely crazy, we can still do that, or we could add to the stable a second Raminator. So that's where we're kind of at the minute. So if we're looking at maybe bringing in another Raminator, we're going to have to be getting into the Losi SBR 2.0, the X Max, maybe one or two of the crawlers. We need to make room and get some bucks back in. But what a toy, guys, what a toy. I get it. I didn't get the Raminator thing, but I absolutely do now. So please like, subscribe, share the videos. We're on 590 subscribers. I think it really would mean the world to me and Miles if we could pass that first milestone of 1,000. So please press that button, help us out. We get a lot more Raminator videos on. I'll even crash it for you guys. It's going to happen anyway, but sounds good, doesn't it? So check back in. We'll see what we're going to do with it. I've got another 4.5 litres of petrol, so we'll get that through it anyway. And then we'll decide if it's 12S in or if it's going to have a brother or sister. Cheers, guys.